So today we're here in London at the Microsoft offices. We had over 200 enterprise customers here talking about Microsoft's mobility strategy. There's some very unique elements that Microsoft brings. One is we do play across a broad platform, both in the work environment, I'll call it digital work, and digital life, which is outside of work, because the same user who's trying to be productive also needs the access to the things they get outside of work, whether it's the social network, search, gaming, etc. And I think Microsoft brings those things together. So we really have a great opportunity right now as Nokia comes in to marry the hardware with software and services and create new value proposition to consumers and businesses alike.
So this is again how phone and tablet and PCs are starting to come together. All of our devices will just talk to each other, meaning that now when you upgrade your Windows phone, you'll get exactly the same experience that you've built up over time. It's all that really annoying stuff like favorites that you have, passwords that you've put into those websites, they can automatically be populated across any device that you access. The list goes on.
Today we were talking about Windows Phone 8.1. There's a lot of new features specifically for the enterprise in that release, and that's what we wanted to showcase to our customers. We brought those customers and those partners up to really talk about what they're doing in their enterprise around mobility, and then specifically how are they using not just Windows Phone, but the entire Windows ecosystem to transform their business.
Well, one of the challenges that a mobile company faces is how you change business process. Using mobile to be a device for business process is really where customers want to get to, so they actually then can mobilize business change. Microsoft have fantastic capability in their products. What they need to do is help us leverage that much more, so that when a customer moves to a much more digital business process environment, the mobile device is actually the tool of choice.
I think that people are starting to understand that there's a number of things coming together which are really creating opportunities for IT companies that can grasp the mobility in a way that benefits business. Essentially what's happening is that increasingly these enterprises are treating mobility not as something which is happening to them, but rather as something that they can use to improve the business. Particularly with the advent of 4G networks, really makes things possible in a way that wasn't possible before. 4G is something that behaves like your desktop connection. It's fast, it's instant, it's responsive. And so people start to use the network in a different way.
Where data is going to be stored and the procurement of servers is usually a challenge for us. And what devices that's going to be consumed on is also a challenge. We're more information first and we're migrating to a cloud first, mobile first organisation. So this across the board is an enabler for us.
Microsoft have been a really good partner with us. Not only have they worked with us to actually ensure that our designs are utilising the best of what Microsoft Windows offers, but at the same time they've actually helped us in terms of looking at how we can engage jointly our customers to actually drive adoption and actually bring the benefits of mobile to customers who use Microsoft products as well as Barclays.
When we think about the future, I think our CEO has said it best. We're a mobile first, cloud first company. So all the different scenarios that you think about we just enabled with Windows Phone 8.1 around encryption, VPN, etc. That's about listening to our customers, understanding what they're trying to achieve, and making sure we're putting our R&D and our innovation into those products that enable the scenarios they're asking us to support.